MetaTrader 4 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on the Rive platform. This is meant for MT4 and not MT5. Make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of best forex broker outside there, and in my video description I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you open an account with them and practice every strategy or indicator you have on a demo account before you go live. Try all your strategy. When you are consistent making money on a demo account, then you can go ahead to deposit your hard-earned money into your live account and start trading. But you must trade with money management in mind. Now let us move on to today's strategy. I have combined few indicators together to come up with this winning forex trading strategy that you can use on any time frame. I have this indicator here. This is the first indicator. I have the dot indicator, and I have a MACD on my chart with adjusted settings to give us a winning setup. The first thing you have to look out for is this indicator. It must change color. Black is for buy, while I use red for sell, and the same dot too. Black is for buy and red is for sell. So I've changed all the colors to match each other, so that you will, once you see your chart, you'll be able to take decision either to buy or sell immediately without wasting time. Now you must look out for this to change to black for a buy, and the take line must change to green before you consider either you want to take a buy or sell. And this dot must be present. It must turn to black. You must have this black for a buy as we have it here, and on MACD here it must turn to black here and cross above the zero level. This is the zero level here, the zero level. It must cross above for a buy and cross down for a sell. Now that you know how to use each indicator, let us analyze this chart together and see how we can come out with a profitable setup, either for buy or sell. But just make sure you are trading on a regulated forex brokers. I am on 4 hours right now, and this is on US 30. So at this particular point we have this indicator did change. We have the black dot for a buy, and we have the MACD here changing to the upside, and we have it changing to black color, and it's above zero level. So this is a good buy. And for a sell, we have another setup here. For a sell, we have this change to red, and we have the confirmation on MACD at this particular point where it did cross, and this is another winning strategy that did deliver. And few candles after, we have another setup here. This was present, and we have MACD in agreement, and it did deliver. Here was another sell signal that was generated at this particular point. We have a sell signal here. This particular one did change, but we do not have the black color here. This black color was absent at this particular point. We do not see any black color here, and we have the PTI indicator giving us a sell signal. When you look at the MACD on the indicator window, it has not, though it's changed to red, but it has not crossed the zero line. So this was not valid. We cannot take this particular trade. And here we have everything in agreement. This did change to red, Here again we have the red color here, and when you look at MACD, it did cross below zero level, and we have PTI that have given us signal early than the other indicators here. So at this particular point we have a good setup, and it did deliver. Now let's analyze this again. We have a buy setup here. It did change to green. We have the black, but when you look at the MACD here, it's still below the zero line. So this is not a good setup for a buy, so we are not going to take this particular trade. A few candles after, we have another setup here. All the indicators in agreement, and MACD remain below zero level. Then we enter this particular trade. So this is how to use this particular indicator or strategy on a regulated forex brokers, and this is meant for MT4 and not MT5. You can use this to trade any pairs you want to trade, any forex pair, either US, USD, Japanese yen, Great Britain pounds, USD, any pairs you want to trade. You can use this to trade gold, cryptocurrency, stocks, Bitcoin, anything you want to trade, as long as you have it on your MetaTrader 4. And let's check this particular strategy on lower time frame. This is H4. If you do not have time to sit in front of your laptop, then you can use higher time frame and trade, and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high for a sell, and for a buy here it's going to be few pips below the previous low, and you ride your trend either with trailing stop, or you use a target for your trade. And let's check this on a lower time frame. It's still the same methodology, but let's check if it is profitable on a lower time frame or not. So we have a sell signal here generated. We have confirmation. This did deliver. We have a buy dot here. We have this in agreement, but when you check MACD, still below zero level, so this is not a good setup. Then we have another sell setup here, everything in agreement, and this is a good setup to actually place another sell. This was correct. We have this in agreement. So this is how to use this on any time frame. Let's check it on lower time frame, either on 15 or 1 minute. Yes, it on 15 minutes, still the same methodology, and it did deliver well. And on 1 minute time frame, it's still the same methodology. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Make sure you follow the simple rule and you will be fine. Make sure you check Forex Factory 2 to see if there's any news that may likely affect your technical analysis. Make sure you follow money management and trade on a regulated forex broker. Practice on a demo account first before you go live. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe. This will make you money consistently in this new year. Just make sure you follow the simple rule and you'll be fine. The download links to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.